I'm not necessarily libertarian. I call myself an exitarian. I believe that there's a bigger movement that should be focused on making it easy to leave and allow every other form of government. If you lower the cost of exit, multiple things will happen that won't be of one ideological set. And this is important because for so long, libertarians and other ideologies have been focused purely on arguing their point. And while that works with a certain subset, some people like rational arguments, the majority of people are interested in examples. If they're themselves and their families and their communities do well, that's what they'll be attracted to. 240 years ago, 13 startup societies declared independence, and they became that and propelled the ideas of liberty and classical liberalism, not because of everyone there was really well versed in John Locke and was willing to debate it. They were able to do so because they set up these societies and compete to the point like, okay, we have to adopt these in order to be competitive. And then when people in Europe saw that they were rapidly expanding and improving their way of life, they're like, wow, I'm going to start moving there. If you allow people to easily leave, this sort of competition will arrive at an optimal form of government. And that's why I want to say we need to stop arguing, because we're never going to come to a solution. We're done talking. We want to demonstrate our ideas through actions. And if you guys are interested in actually making liberty happen, you need to be part of the movement. You need to be part of the network. You need to be part of the next chapter in history. Ride the wave.
If you'd like to learn more, visit seasteading.org and read Founding Startup Societies, a step-by-step guide.